So I just took my spoolie. I'm just on here, nothing clean. I'm just jumped up. I didn't clean no brushes or nothing. I use this to brush up the little bit of brows I have left. I usually shave half my brows off because I want to arch. I have thin brows, so that's that. So that's what I did the other day. I completed that swimsuit like overnight, really, and just did the video the next day, which was Friday when I released it. And we can't let people stop us from getting blessed, or stop our blessing, because you doing what God told you to do, not what people told you to do. And church folks are always the first one to kick you down. And I'm going to leave that where it's at. So whatever is God told you to do, just do it. Just do it, just do it, just do it. So what I'm using now, I'm using this, it's like a burgundy reddish pencil. And I'm using that to outline my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shape my brows, shape it up. Like so. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? So basically what I did, because I'm talking too much. Basically, I'm excited. I'm talking too much. Basically what I did, I took the pencil line and I went underneath, like so. Let me get my other mirror. Make it easier. Stephen, when you going to do your next show? So I went underneath the brow like this. And I just basically folded in. Like so. And then to create an arch, you go upwards and just bring it down. So that's basically what I did. And I'm using this red color because I like it. And when I wear my pink hair, it makes my eyes pop. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, get excited, get excited. The thing with the eyebrow, doing your eyebrows, make sure your pencil has a good point, because that helps with the shape of it. And I'm about to go somewhere because I got to talk about this topic. Yeah, when you're trying to succeed, things try to come up and stop you. It always happens, never fails. Always happen, never fail. Obstacle always try to come jump in the way and push you back from getting where you got to go. So keep it moving. Keep it going, folks. Keep it going. Keep it going. I hope this is the right concealer. I think it is. This is Toffee. This is called Toffee by LA Girl Pro. I'm going to use this to outline my eyebrows. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking the concealer and go under like so, as close as I can to the brow bone. And I usually sweep mine all the way down like that. And you want to use a concealer like a shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. You want to use a concealer a shade or 2 lighter than your skin tone. Okay, folks? And you just blend it. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Blend it, blend it. You want to use an angle brush or a flat brush, okay? An angle or flat brush. So basically what I did, I took the concealer and I went down to my crease area. Your crease area is where your eyelid been. It's right in the middle where your eyelid been. Like so. And I'm just going to go across like this. So I'm going to do the other eye. Like so. Like so. Let nobody steal your joy. I don't care who they are. Got some joy stealers. So you're going to go above. Like that. These lights are making me hot. Whew. You're going to come all the way down. Stephen, do you follow Brianna Marie on YouTube? Her name is Brianna Marie. If you guys don't follow her. She has great makeup tips on there. I think she's about 25 years old. She has great makeup tips on there. I'm like, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now, you want to make sure you blend this concealer up, because you don't want to walk around with a halo, okay, folks? You don't want to walk around with a halo. I'm just going to fill in the eye area just to get the rest of this off. If you don't follow her, I'm Stephen, follow her. Her name is Brianna Brianna Marie. Brianna Marie. So what I'm going to do now, after I put the concealer and everything on, I'm going to go back again with my pencil, and I'm just going right like so. This is to give the brows more definition, like so. And I'm going to do it just a little at the top. Just like so. I am burning up hot. I am burning up hot under these lights. Burning up hot. Burning up hot. Can't let people stop you, honey, because people try to stop you and they'll try to block you too. Can't let them stop you and block you. Especially folks when they're jealous of you. Get from around all them jealous folks that mean you no good. They don't want you to get nowhere. Whew. How'd that look? How'd that look? Let me put a mirror up here so I can see. I'm going to take some, so busy talking, I forgot to put this brow powder over it to take down the wax over the pencil, because the pencils can be very waxy. So you want to use like a brow powder. And this one is almost finished. And nothing else you can do in the daytime, in the morning or whenever you're going out. Do your brows. Do your brows and your lashes and throw some lipstick or lip gloss on. 3 things: brows, lash, and lips. Very easy. And you can get out the door. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to dab it on like that. And that cuts down the waxy look. And it made it a little darker, but that's okay. You see the difference? That's with the powder and that's without. So that's the big difference. Big difference. This is going to be quick because brows don't take long. It don't take me long to do it. And you want to pat. And for those of you that already have brows, all you have to do is clean them up and use a pencil right under the bottom like this. And that's it. And if you need to add some powder just to thicken it, you know, make it a little thicker, you can do that. Alrighty, folks. So you're going to need a spoolie, of course. Where did I put that angle brush? You need a spoolie. That's to brush up the hairs. You need an angle brush to put the concealer on. And you need another angle brush to put the powder over. Okay, folks? You only need 3 things. Alrighty, folks. Get excited, everybody. No, you're going to need 4. I'm going to show you something else that I learned. So I'm going back in again with the pencil. And I'm just hitting the bottom, as you can see. It makes the brows pop more. Like so. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to, now I learned this from Brianna. I hope I'm saying her name. Brianna. Her name is Brianna. Yeah, Brianna Marie. Brianna Marie. This tip I'm going to show you guys. I learned that from her. Thanks for the thumbs up, folks. I'm going to take some eyeshadow and I'm going to go over where I applied the concealer. This helps seals the concealer so it won't move all over the place and be slippery and wet. And when I tried this, I got so many compliments on my brows when I went outside. I'm going to use this Floyd Roberts. For those of you who don't know, I'm affiliated with Floyd Roberts. I like Floyd Roberts Cosmetics because her makeup works for my skin complexion. I don't have to worry about looking orange because I'm a dark-skinned person. And I like her makeup for my skin tone. So I'm going to use this. This is called Ambra. So it's close to the same shade as the concealer. And I'm using a brush like this. This is called like a pencil brush. And I'm going to pat this right underneath where I applied the concealer. And this helps keep this concealer in place and take away the wetness and to give it a nice, smooth, clean Finish. Look at that. We're gonna pat it on just like so. Everybody see what I'm doing? I should have shaved my used my razor to shave up my brow around here to clean it up, but that's okay. I'll do it again when I come back on. See that? See the difference? Everybody see the difference? See how smooth and clean that look now? And this is still smooth, but I love this with this powder. It doesn't look, wet and like it's gonna slip off. I almost put this in the wrong thing. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Thanks for the thumbs up. Just pat it. Like so. So I'm gonna you do that and your brows will stay in place all day like so. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Get excited, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.